42 brave souls and me, the captain on the bow. In the West Philippine Sea we were standing tall somehow, with our BRP Suluan, not the biggest on the wave, but we've got grit and a flag worth more than any grave. Oh, we danced on the tide like samba on the street, dodged every trick they threw, kept our heads and feet. You tried to box us in, but I swear on this helm I saw you, yes you, ram yourself at the realm. They came in pairs, red stars on steel, one with water cannons, one with the Navy SEAL. We weaved left, slipped right, kept our distance clear. My crew steady as drums, not a hint of fear. Then came the twist, oh the grand ballet. Your cutter spun hard, what a fine display. Bang went the bow on your comrade's side. I almost waved encore from my ocean ride. Pride is a fog, and you sailed past me. Our flag still flying, our mission still done, protecting our people under the hot sun. Medical hands, sharp-eyed watch, special ops ready if things got hot. The book of the sea, I'm proud of you. To the youth I say, be smart, be brave. Don't rush into storms you can't outwave. But when the line is drawn, stand with steady hands. Hold the ground, hold the sea. This is our